And Western New Yorkers are still cleaning up after this recent snowstorm. And tonight, we're getting a new update from city leaders.
2 on your sides, Courtney Courtwright is out too, keeping an eye on the roads. So Courtney, what are conditions like right now?
Hi there, Scott and Mary Alice. We're out on the roads again in the city of Buffalo. We're actually driving down Norwood Avenue right now. I'm going to actually turn this around so you can see some of the road conditions. I mean, you can see those snow-covered roads. It is slick, and it will continue to be that way in some areas throughout the night. But I want to give you a look at this. This that you should be looking at now is the city's snowplow map. We learned from DPW Commissioner Nolan Skipper this snowplow map is on a 1-hour lag, but he says he is working with contractors to make sure that map gets updated accurately. You'll notice there's more green on this map today. That means streets have been serviced within the last 6 hours. And as you can see, there is still some red showing up on that map. When I last checked, it looked like most of those side streets were in red, but nevertheless, you can still see that green and that red and some other colors in that map too. I want to show you this video now. This is from earlier this afternoon. So Skipper also says he felt good about the planning heading into this storm. He also acknowledged there are still lessons to learn here and says the city will work to improve its response. He did acknowledge some people may not have gotten the message about the alternate parking in the city of Buffalo, but says as of the top of the hour, so that's 6 o'clock hour right now, those rules are now in effect, which should help crews finish the job.
On my drive around this morning, I saw plenty of streets where the message was received or neighbors talked to each other and had that communication. There was a handful, to your point, where either a message wasn't received or people weren't sure. We've tried to put some smaller pieces of equipment in those neighborhoods just to get us through the day.
Skipper says the focus has been on keeping main roads clear first, with private contractors brought in to handle those residential streets. City leaders say safety remains their top priority. Now we want to take you back out live, give you another look at the roads out here in the city of Buffalo. Now Skipper also says the goal is to pass through the rest of these streets by the end of the night. Live and on your side in the city of Buffalo in the Storm Tracker, Courtney Courtwright, Channel 2 News.
Courtney, thanks very much.